we're at the new employee orientation, which I co-host with the CSEA Chapter 350 president. And we hope to get our members more information and be empowered through our collective bargaining unit agreement and get them signed up to be chapter members.
When I was onboarded, they didn't have NEOs. We didn't meet the union, hence why I wasn't a member when I went to vote. We have a very large chapter. We hover around 900 members. So I keep trying to bring more members in to be more active in CSEA, because not only does it give us more perspectives, but it lightens the load. For our chapter to work smoothly and to run efficiently, we need a lot of help from the members.
Well, I wanted to engage them directly to things that they can access to, right? So like the website itself is public, so they can access it already. And they can already take a peek at what the member benefits are and a peek of what CSEA has to offer. The paper copies will also allow them to really have something tangible in their hands so that they can take it with them to remember and to remind themselves of how much they really have at their fingertips.
I just have to say that the virtual ones were not effective. We had to go find those people afterwards and sign them up.
In person, it really allowed them to engage with us and to really learn that CSEA is there for them collectively. So we did get everyone to sign up today.